Good morning, all of you. Fit India to hit India. Fit Shem Stars to hit Shamford. So, first of all, I would like to give you a very good news, dear Shem Stars. Shamford is ranked as number one in Haryana among the co-ed boarding schools. Last year we were number two, and this year we are number one. Last year we also got the Fit India school certificates. We got excellent award for eco-friendly school and Swachh Vidyala award also. So let us clap for all of you. We really feel honored and elated to have these achievements. So I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate you all, to acknowledge you all. First of all, Shem Stars are shining stars. Their parents for all their cooperation. Our school head, our staff members, and the supporting staff for their passion and persistent effort to give our children always the best. So clap for all. Fit India movement was initiated by our Prime Minister to encourage our youth, our students to play outdoor and play lots of sports activities. Month of December is just the right weather after the hot weather and after the rainy season. This is just the right weather when one wants to go out and play and be under the sun. The sun gives you vitamin D and makes you healthy, makes your bones strong. I always used to look forward for this month and wanted to see the children, students playing in different areas of this beautiful campus, and always used to say, oh, this is my dream day. So I always used to wait for the dream time to come. But this year 2020, as we know all, because of the COVID pandemic, our students are not playing outdoor with bat and ball. Instead, they are expected to be at home and they are given smartphones and laptops. Dear children, you are the youngest generation in the history to have an access to these digital tools. The magic of these digital tools is that you are not only learning your lessons, not only studying, but you are doing lot of other activities. So many other activities. I can see you playing number of games, even indoors, doing yoga, doing lots of exercises, dancing, aerobics, and to the extent of so many experiential activities teachers are giving you from time to time. Even the virtual tours are also possible through these tools. So these digital tools at present appear to be the boon. But we can never overlook the side effects of the excess use of these tools. So dear Shem Stars, be very careful, be very mindful while using these tools. As at Shamford, we always think of both the sides, positive and negative. That's how we came up with a blended approach in teaching so that you can stretch your screen viewing throughout the day. And of course, these days you are given more time for interaction because this is your revision time. So you can just plan your day in between, do the interaction with the teachers, and the rest of the time you can always look around and do other activities. Your home is a treasure. Just look around, have a break, and do some activities as per the guidance of our teachers, or you can think of yourself some innovative ideas. For example, climbing the stairs, or think of some other, look around, use some tools to do the exercises, or any other innovative way you can think of in between, and do those to save your stress on the eyes. Because studies have clearly shown a link between the excess use of screen time and the effect on the mental health. As I always say, excess of everything is bad. So if you are spending more time on these digital tools, especially surfing negative sites or taking the advantage because now I've got the phone, mama has given me, I can do anything. So that is just a wastage of time. That time you can utilize for your studies or for your hobbies, or to pursue any skill, or to have something, a good change, rather than spending time on these areas. Because these sites ultimately affect your brain. It makes your brain dull, it gives depression, and it reduces your capacity to learn, to reason out, to express. And ultimately, your immunity is reduced and you tend to fall sick frequently. So, dear Shem stars, we cannot afford to do this. Definitely not, especially at this time when your exams are very near. And as it is, stress and anxiety is very common concern among students during exam time or before the exams. So just be mindful, be careful, and of course plan your day very well and study well so that you can succeed as a shining star. You be the shining star. You remember last year's we were discussing, and we were giving you the tips and hints how to study well. I will not go into the details today, but we can take a summary of it. Number one. So some tips, just number one is, first of all, organize yourself. That's very important. Organize yourself, organize your day, organize your study table. Just keep the requirement in place properly, declutter. If there is excess material distracting you, just remove that material. I know you are doing it because you had sent us the photographs during the Swachh Bharat celebration days, and we were very happy that our Shem stars really understand the concept and they follow it. So organize yourself, dear Shem stars. Then work on your planners. Looking at your syllabus, your books, your other help books, just work on your planner. First concentrate on the syllabus, on the material which teachers have taught you. Learn that properly and clearly and be confident to say, I know this. And after that, you can always take extra help. Don't just get yourself confused. Go and study other books and overlook these. You will be simply confused. So concentrate on that. And then, of course, this is the revision time. You revise your lessons. You can just, start writing few questions, or make the mental revision, like sometime students बोल के याद करते, you can do that. You can make small notes, summary notes with some cues, with the hints only. That's quite a handy, that at the last day you can just go through the summary notes and you know, you are confident you have done it. Okay? And then of course, sleep well. That's very important. Don't believe के पढ़ना है तो जागना पड़ेगा बहुत सारा, no. Sleep well. Charge your battery in between. And eat well. Always. Always. Your physical, mental health is very important. Healthy mind and healthy body. Okay? So eat well. During the nutrition week, I gave you some tips to eat healthy diet. I'm sure you remember all these. So just avoid junk foods. Okay? Eat natural foods, balanced foods, diet, colorful diet. Remember that word, colorful diet. Okay? Eat healthy food. And of course, have the break in between your total plans. That's very, very important to recharge your battery. You can go out for walk. You can play some games, maybe indoor games. You can talk to your siblings. Have fun. You can share jokes with your parents. And of course, you can always talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. Share your ideas. But do not compare yourself with your friends. Every child, every person is different. And everyone has its own style of learning. So do not compare. Rather, don't get that complex comparing that he's done so much and I am unable to do it. Never get into that. Sometimes they just, in the word of competition, they bully you. So have confidence on your plan and work on your plan, and I'm sure you will be able to do well. Lastly, of course, stay away from distractions. Keep your digital tools away for some time. I was reading the newspaper, and there it was given a formula saying follow 20-20-20 formula, which says that keep your digital tools 20 feet away for 20 seconds after every 20 minutes. So this helps to, give some break to your eyes and give you some relaxation. Of course, I can understand that parents are always there to help you, to guide you, and to monitor you, because parents these days are digital guardians. So dear parents, let's be together and help them so that they can do well in the exams. Dear Shem Stars, you will come out to be shining star. You will succeed well, and we are all proud of you. And so, dear children, remain healthy, remain fit, stay home, stay safe. Keep on doing innovative activities at home also. There's no end to the creativity and the innovation. You can always think of various ways to keep yourself happy and healthy. Keep it up. Fit India, Fit Shem Stars. Thank you so much and take care.